Hello, and welcome to this InfoAssist Plus primer on styling and formatting the content in your visualizations. Visualizations contain multiple charts and reports and provide numerous filtering options at runtime, and can be added to storyboards to see how they change as you develop them. InfoAssist Plus also provides many ways for you to add your own flair to your visualizations. To create a visualization, you can either right-click a folder in the resources tree of the BI portal, point to New, and click Visualization, or from within InfoAssist Plus, you can click New on the Quick Access toolbar or application menu, and then click Build a Visualization. Once you choose a master file to use as a data source, InfoAssist Plus opens in visualization mode. When you create a visualization, most of the visuals in it will probably be different kinds of charts, and have some of the same styling options that charts do, but with fewer customization options to emphasize the simplicity and ease of use of visualizations. Most of the basic functions are available on the Home tab, including the ability to change visual types, swap the axes of certain types of visuals, insert new visuals into the visualization, and use storyboarding. Storyboarding allows you to capture the phases of a developing visualization in the form of snapshots, which are stored together in a PowerPoint presentation that shows how the visuals and data used in the visualization developed over time. Most of the styling options for visualizations are on the Format and Series tabs. On the Format tab, you can choose a style sheet, or add a header or footer, reference line, grid lines, or a fill color to the background, or configure the axis labels and legend text. You can use advanced options for the axis labels and legend by clicking More Axis Options or More Legend Options, and change animation settings for when the visuals load onto the page. On the Series tab, you can make changes to the style of all series or specific series in a visual. For instance, you can change the color that a series uses by clicking Style on the ribbon. You can also add information using data labels or a trend line, and change the appearance of charts with plotted points using smooth instead of straight lines, or changing the marker shape. You can use the Field tab to format field data, for example by adding dollar signs to currency fields, or applying aggregations such as an average or a percent of total. When you select a measure field, you can also add traffic lights so that the grid cells or chart segments for that measure change color when they exceed or fall below a value that you set. Styling changes only affect the currently selected visual, and the query pane only shows the fields and field containers for that visual while the rest are collapsed. You can reposition a visual at any time by clicking on its title bar and dragging the visual to a new location within the visualization using the handles in the upper right corner. InfoAssist Plus gives you plenty of ways to add your own personal touches and make your data beautiful. Try out the various styling options and see what suits your preferences. Learn more using the resources in our Information Center.